Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of June 2022, and we're going to drop 6 strategies today across all our 3 channels. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels to watch all these strategies we'll be dropping today, 1st of June 2022. And as we can see, we are trading. I'm going to explain this strategy to you briefly after this timeout. Okay, let's quickly place one more trade. It's going right up there. Okay, so I'm going to explain this strategy to you after the timeout. There's a second trade right there. Okay, there you go. We won that trade again. Okay, we've already won the trade right there. It's not showing. So I'm gonna close it and reopen it again. Okay, before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boot, just to let you guys know that the June version of the boot, which is Rise and Fall, is out today, and we'll send it to those who have previously purchased the boot. As you can see right there on the screen, you can see it's all green, is Rise and Fall. The updated version is very effective and efficient. You can see the results on the deriv and binary.com interface right there today, 1st of June 2022. To order the boot, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the boot. It's just $9.99 USD. There's so many payment options on the order page: Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, USDT, Ethereum, Classic. So many options on the order page. The PIPSREAPER boot as well is another effective boot that trades on digits. The updated version for June 2022 is out as well, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boot. To order the boot is just $7.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit www.binarypipsreaperboot.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the boot. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boot. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. Check the video decision. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boot, and this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account yet. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. Are the first channel, this is the second channel, and the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we're going to be trading the touch no touch in this strategy, and we've logged in. We are using the web trader. So once you log into your account, all you have to do is to go to trade, then open the Volatility 50 index, then go to trade type, click on touch no touch, then click on set the durations to 5 ticks, set the barrier offset to minus 0.0524, then enter your payout, the amount you want to stake. So you open the chart as well. You go to charts, then you open the synthetic indices Volatility 50 index chart. So once it's opened, you go to the time interval, you set it to 1 tick, then you drag this very close here. So once this thing is up right here, we're going to click on purchase. So it's up there, you can see the movement. Make sure you drag this very close for you to be able to see the movement of the line right there. What I mean is this, you can see here, you can't see it. So when you drag it close, you'll be able to see the movement. So you can see that's another win right there. That's another win. So you can go on and on and on. Just make sure you watch the line movement carefully before you place the trade. Thanks for watching. Bye.